Hey you
Hey.
guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be cooking is garlic smoked scallops. This is my first time ever cooking scallops, so I hope I do it right, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you need the recipe, of course it'll be in this video. And through this video, I'm not going to do any editing. It's going to be just a straight raw deal of me cooking. So it is about 10 minutes long. If you want to, you can forward it, and I'll also let you know what I'm adding to as well. So I have 12 ounces of scallops that I found at my local Walmart for very cheap, because if I went to Kroger's, this amount of scallops would have cost me about $25–30, just to be honest. And I found this trout. I never had trout before, and he looked so beautiful. I had to get it. So I'll be actually doing a recipe on the trout, the shrimp, and the crab legs as well in another video. But in this video, we're just doing the scallops. So now we're going to season our scallops. I have some Creole seasoning, and all you need is just a sprinkle. You don't need a tablespoon, half tablespoon, none of that. Just put it in your hand and sprinkle it onto your scallops. Now this complete seasoning tastes excellent on any kind of seafood, especially these scallops. I really enjoyed this seasoning. It's the complete seasoning. You can get this at Dollar Tree for $1. It's a smaller version. And you can also get it at your local grocery store too. And it's really cheap. The smoked paprika, I was looking for this for the longest. I could not find it. And I finally found it at Walmart. I feel like it was kind of expensive for $4. It was really small. I'm also going to be adding garlic powder and white pepper too as well. So all the seasonings you see up there, I will be adding. Next, I'll be adding a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure your pan is on medium high. Add a tablespoon of garlic. You can use the minced garlic, or you can cut your own garlic up. If you cut your own garlic, all you need is about 2 cloves of that. Once your butter has melted, gradually add your scallops to your pan one by one. You want them sitting up. You don't want them flat. And also, you don't want your scallops to be wet. You want them to be dry, or they're not going to sear in your pan. That's what I got from YouTube. I didn't even know that. Like I said, it's the first time me cooking this. So yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos on how to cook scallops, and I read that you have to make sure that your scallops are dry. It's all Christmassy colors. Look, it's like green and red. So pretty. So the only thing that I have to say about this is the couple of videos that I did watch was your scallop has to cook for about 2 minutes on each side. I had these scallops cooking for about maybe 7 minutes because I didn't want undercooked scallops. And I had undercooked scallops and I did not like it at all. It was all mushy. So I was just like, no, I didn't want them to be that way. So I did let them cook for about 7 minutes on each side. If you want to, you can only cook it for 2 minutes, but I just felt like it was not done. So once your scallops start to look like this, you can flip them over and let them cook on the other side. I like to buy these things. It's like called Power. I think it's Power Greens. I get them from my local grocery store. I know Walmart has it. Kroger has it. I know a lot of grocery stores have them. And I just put like maybe a handful or two of lettuce, of greens and stuff on top of a plate. And then I added my scallops on top. And then whatever butter that I had in my pan, I just added it on top of the scallops as well, just for a little bit more flavor. So I only had scallops one time, but this time I actually added a little bit of ranch on top of them. And it tasted really good with the ranch. And of course, it was power greens underneath it, so it was pretty much a scallop salad too as well. So that is all that is for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do try this recipe out, let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. And if you have not sent your entry in to win the $100, please do so. Leave it in on my community tab, or you can email me. I know the community tab is not showing your email addresses, so if you don't see your email address when you post it, just email me and my email address will be down in the description box below. So I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe today. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.